Okay, Louis.
Yep.
Me and you are gonna go see something that is spectacular, wonderful, explosion. 2 words. Metal, fireworks.
That's a combination.
Well, it's fireworks and it's metal. Let's go watch.
All right, let's go.
Watch. Yes.
That's really amazing, man.
Dude, he's playing with fire.
Yeah.
Okay, so Louis, we just watched that explosive display of raw majesty.
Right.
To tell you the truth, I have never in my life experienced something that awesome. I mean, it's boom, fire everywhere. Do you know how cool that was? It looked like it was raining fire, but nothing was burning. It was just magic.
Right, I can feel the heat wave coming to my face, but I'm actually only enjoying it.
Exactly. Seriously, if you guys ever have a chance to come to this beautiful place, make sure you catch it because it's a once in a lifetime experience.
Yeah.
Genuinely.
Yeah, listen to him.
No, listen to him.